This video is for the Mercedes-Benz SL55AMG with the K8. The K8 package boosts horsepower to 550 and the torque to 575 foot-pounds of torque. You'll see the temperature. It's been sitting overnight in the garage with the cover on it. Let me leave the cover on. And stored at in the garage. The temperature is typically about 67 degrees. Put the seatbelt on so it doesn't make all that noise. Put the key in. Everything adjusts to your. See, the temperature is nothing. 69 degrees. That's typical in the garage. It's a little bit below ground. So great storage for these cars. I'll show you the exhaust now.